All right, I think this is our first lesson that we didn't actually get to cover completely before we got out for the virus outbreak. We're going to be graphing inequalities. I think the most important part of the lesson, I've got it written down right here. If you want to pause and make sure you write it down, remember that just greater than or less than signs are the dotted lines, and then greater than or equal to. When they have the equal to, they'll be solid, so solid lines. We're going to do 2 of these, and then I'll come back and do a few more with you in the next video. So looking here, we have y is greater than 3. Y is greater than 3. So we're going to be graphing y is greater than 3. So we're going to go where y is 3, and we're going to draw a, back down here, dotted line since it's a, it doesn't have an equal sign. So we're going to go to here, make it dotted. So on your IXL, you can actually just click 2 points that are side by side, and then you'll have to click the line. It'll make it dotted, or you'll click the line again to make it back to solid, just in case you do it on accident. And then now what you've got to be able to tell the IXL is it going to be above or is it going to be below? Meaning, if I plug a number in for y, is it going to be above or below? So in this case, we know that y is going to be greater than 3. So what you'll do is you'll put your 2 dots, you'll make your line dotted, and then you'll click up here somewhere so where it'll shade all of this. Okay? And that's how you get your graphing your inequalities. Now, granted, this is an easy one. It's not very hard. But that's the kind of the breakdown of what you're going to do. So 2 dots side by side, wherever you're going to go. In case you're going to slope them, you'll just click one here, and then you'll do your slope, and then it'll be sloped. And then you'll do something I have over here in just a minute, where it says U01 to know where to shade. We'll do that here in just a minute. Here's another one. Pretty simple. I used an X instead of a Y, and then I gave you an equal to sign. Now remember, hopefully you can answer now. What is the difference in just the regular greater than sign, and then when you have an equal part of the inequality, is it makes it solid instead of dotted. So go down to where x is -2. So here, and remember, I don't have to make it dotted. It's just straight up and down. So x is less than or equal to -2. So is it going to be less than this way? Is it going to be less than this way? Obviously, a little more lead. It's going to be shaded that way. So remember, click 2 points on your IXL, leave it solid, and then click over here somewhere. It doesn't matter where you click, and then it'll shade it.